Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Loraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches, and my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com, and there will be a link to my website in the description box below. Today I'm bringing you a review of a product called PinBank. Now PinBank is launching on the 4th of November at 11 AM Eastern Time, and it's brought to you by a couple, Katrina and Demetrius. And this product was created because Katrina actually lost her job through the COVID pandemic, and she needed to pivot her business in order to make money. And one of her passions was Pinterest. So she decided to learn a lot about Pinterest, and then her husband helped her to put the knowledge that she gained into this particular product with the help of a software developer as well by the name of Alex. And we will go over a little bit more about what this product does, because it's a software and also a training product. So I have got my bonus page, which we'll take a look at, and the sales page, which we can go over and have a look at now. Okay, so here is the team behind this product, PinBank: Katrina, her husband Demetrius, and the software developer Alex. So this we'll go over and have a look at the sales page now. So this is the sales page for PinBank. Now it's obviously to do with Pinterest, and this obviously the site gets a lot of traffic, 651,000 monthly visits to Pinterest, and so they have created this product to help other people learn more about how you can generate the traffic to your offers, whether that be a blog, your e-com store, or any affiliate offers that you might be making, any business that you have basically. So this is a training that revolves around how you can use Pinterest to generate more traffic, and obviously is generating traffic and also make sales. So here's just a few of the things that you can achieve if you invest in PinBank. You can unleash virtually unlimited buyer traffic. There's automation software included, and which uncovers viral trends and content that you can instantly monetize. You can spy on the competition as laser targeted audience by any keyword. You can maximize your return on investment and skyrocket your leads and your sales by being ahead of the latest trends. And so there's full step-by-step training and a proven blueprint, which is included in this software and training, which can turn your Pinterest into a secret traffic weapon. So this is the power of this particular digital product. So like I say, it was Katrina who came up with this particular idea, helped by her husband Demetrius, because obviously in the middle of the global pandemic, like lots of other people, lost her job. She was in the tourist industry, and so she created this travel blog in 2018, and she was already writing and blogging about different travel around the world, but she just needed to find a way to pivot this business, and Pinterest was what she looked at in order to get traffic. And she started getting some really good results, and then took on some clients to help them get good results for their particular blog or industry or website, and so started to make lots of leads and then sales. So this is how it basically came about. So, you know, Pinterest is not a thing that I've particularly used. I mean, I have got a lot of other different social media platforms I have used, like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, but Pinterest hasn't really piqued my interest, so to speak, and so I've never really took much notice of it. But having a look through this, it obviously has got some potential for traffic and converting into sales. So this is the sales page, and there's lots of articles here in proof. Now, if you go down to my link, which is the first link in the description box, you can click through to the sales page, have a look at all of the information here, because obviously you need to take notice of what actual results that Katrina and her clients have had. So now if we go over, we can have a look at the My Sales page. I do have a demo video on there as well. So this is my bonus page for PinBank. It's the first software to automate traffic from this particular social media site. Now here is a demo video that you can watch. Basically that will walk you through what this product is all about. So I encourage you to actually click on my link and then watch this demo video, because sometimes it's just not possible to get the best of it from doing this review. It's easier for you to actually watch the product and the demo yourself. So any of these red buttons will take you through to the sales page for PinBank. So let's now have a look at what the funnel is, the prices on the front end for PinBank. So you've got the front end of PinBank is, you've got your personal license for $27 and you've got a commercial license for $37. And the information here is that you can use this to get access to 8+ modules and bonuses inside of the members area. And the personal license gets you 100+ page step-by-step guide and over-the-shoulder training videos, including the software. And the commercial license will get you ready-made templates, 100+ step-by-step guide, checklists, over-the-shoulder training and video software. So you get 2 different options on the front end of this funnel. Now the one-time offer is the Done For You suite, which is at $67, and then your PinBank Done For You Suite Lite, which is $37. Then you've got the PinBank Advanced Training, which is an offer 2, which is $47, and that's an advanced training, which is everything you need to know about running successful Pinterest marketing campaigns, and it's got over-the-shoulder videos and advanced training, which is going to teach you how to get the traffic using Pinterest ads. So this is paid methods here, it's not just organic. So then you've got the PinBank Limitless Traffic, which is the one-time offer 3, which is $197. And in this package, the users get access to free traffic service, which will send them more targeted traffic to websites. And then they get paid premium plugins to use on their websites as well, and 30 Done For You websites, content for various niches. So that is the upsell 3, which is $197. Then you've got the PinBank Agency, which is a one-time offer number 4, which is $97. And in that package, your users get the option to be able to use PinBank as a freelancing tool and a quick way to start getting traffic to your websites 24/7. And there's a checklist to a $2,000 a month exact roadmap to landing your first clients. So if you've got an idea that you want to help clients to get traffic to their websites, and you're already an agency and want to use this particular method using Pinterest to drive traffic and generate leads for customers, then this upsell might be what you're looking for. So you can have a look at my bonus page, but there's the key benefits if you're interested in picking up PinBank through my link. And now let's have a look at the bonuses I have available, which are all free to you if you decide to purchase this product, even if you're just purchasing the front end personal license. So bonus number 1 is a 10,000 email manifesto case study, which will walk you through how to get your first 10,000 leads, subscribers. And bonus number 2 is 40 high quality lead magnets to help you to build your list. And bonus number 3 is access to Backlink Warrior. Now this is going to help anybody who's got a website or blog, that you can get information about how you can get put the backlinks in to boost your website. So that is the bonus number 3, and bonus number 4, I've got access to the online entrepreneur, which goes through the whole journey from start all the way through how to be an online entrepreneur. So there are the 4 bonuses I have if you decide to pick up PinBank through my link, the first link in the description box below this video. And that's all I have for you today. In a nutshell, this is the software and training, the world's first Pinterest software and over-the-shoulder training, and included a 100-page guide inside of this product. So that's all for today, and I will see you on the next video. Now, if you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you hit the notification bell, you will be notified every time I release a new video to my channel. Bye for now.